Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Google Share calendar. Now the easiest way is to go to your computer and go and open up a web browser. If you're trying to do it on a phone, it can be harder. You need to open up the web browser on your phone to do it, such as the Chrome web browser. Now on the computer, open up your web browser and type in calendar.google.com. Okay, so go to this website and then you'll be presented with a calendar page. From here, you may need to click on the menu at the top here to expand out the menu on the left hand side. Then we go down to the other calendars section in here and click on the add button. Then we click on create new calendar. Up here, give it a name. I'll say family calendar number 2. Give it a description, choose a time zone, and then tap on create calendar. Okay, so the calendar creation is now in progress. Okay, so here if you go down, you can see there is family calendar number 2, so click on it. Then on the right hand side here, we go down and click on add. Then in here, from the share with specific people, you want to type in the email address that you want to share with. So for example, we want to share with this person here. When you type in a name, it will try to pull a list of contacts, a list of people from your contacts, and it will provide you a suggestions. So here I'll add in. Now add in as many as you like. Add in the email or name. Then we go down and choose permissions. From the list here, select a permission so they can see only, they can see all events details, they can make changes to events, or they can make changes and manage your sharing calendar. So select a permission and then click on send, and that will send the request to that person. So here I'll create test, and then click on the send button, and that's it. So we have now successfully created a share Google calendar. Thank you for watching this video. If you find